Well, Chris, it has been 47 days since the beginning of the coronavirus shutdowns. How are we doing?
Fine. Like 6 out of 10.
We have been so bored here at home, so what we've been trying to do is recreate some of our favorite Syracuse restaurant dishes, like iconic foods here in town. We did the Hyde's hot dog, we did the Brinewell Rochester plate, and we even did the Mother's Cupboard giant whole frittata. But today's probably the most challenging one. What are we making?
We are going to try to recreate 2 pizzas from Apizza Regionale. So we're going to make the Calabrian and the Apizza. Super difficult because we don't have a wood-fired or brick oven.
No, we just have a regular oven.
Local sourced ingredients.
We just have grocery store pizza dough and pizza sauce, but we're going to give it our best shot.
Apizza's pizza is a really, really thin crust. So we're really going to try to flatten this out because dough has a tendency to constrict and it also rises a lot once you put it in the oven. You really want to get a good spin on it and a little give. You don't want to drop it. The key is to talk very confidently about whatever you're doing when you actually have no idea. Let's get some sauce on here. So I think a pizza really doesn't go heavy on the sauce. It's tough to cut a soft cheese really thin. Just put it on. Asiago Romano Parmesan basil leaves. A pizza. Put it at 475. Maybe we'll check on it in like 10 minutes.
Oh, it's got bubbles.
Yep.
Is that okay?
Yeah, you're gonna like slowly work those out.
How do I make it into a circle?
You gotta like, you gotta make the dough work for you. All right, we might have to start over.
All right, we had to redo the dough because it got really long, but this is better than it was.
It's somehow turning into more of a triangle.
How did that happen?
What's in the cabinet?
The cat. That looks good. That looks better than the triangle. Mozzarella cheese, soppressata, which is like an Italian dry salami, but you can see it's got a bit of a coarser grind. And we put Mike's hot honey on top to give it a bit of a sweet zing. This stuff is really spicy, so I'm just gonna drizzle it on really lightly and then spread it around with this brush. Now we're gonna put it in the oven.
All right, so while the pizza's in the oven, we're gonna make the Negroni, which is a pretty standard Apizza Regionale cocktail with 1 part gin, using Hendrick's because Katrina is Scottish, 1 part sweet vermouth, 1 part Campari, and then garnish it with an orange peel. Stir it up. Like I said, you don't shake Negroni. It's stirred. Oh yeah, it's tasty. What time is it? 6:30 p.m.
It's 3 o'clock.
All right. This first one is just about ready. Oh!
Ooh, it's looking golden brown and bubbly. Look at that. You can see how the meat has crisped up. Do you want to cut this pizza up like Twin Trees?
Oh, no.
No.
Only Twin Trees pizza can be cut Twin Trees style.
Do you want to try a bite of the Calabrian?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
That's good.
That's really good.
Oh, but you know what? It's not the same.
No.
It doesn't. It's sweet, but not sweet enough. I guess we're just gonna have to go to a pizza and get the real thing. But that's the good news. Any of you can do a takeout order from Apizza Regionale. So here's to all the mediocre cooks out there, and here's to all the local restaurateurs and wait staff and cooks, because we miss you guys.
Yes, we do.
Cheers.
I can taste everything in my beard.
Ew, what?
It's like
Ew, don't say that.
I can just feel it. Like, I've never had a beard like this.